DIY salt here in my new work shed. So we moved from the garage, which wasn't really set up very well, to this shed, which is set up very well. Of course, right now it is an absolute mess because we had storage in here. We're on our way of moving things out. So yeah, here we are. You know, I say give you a tour, but there's not much to give you a tour of, you know, but at least I have a nice workbench and an area where actually right where the camera is. There's another bench, and there's another bench over there. We have cabinets right here, so we're definitely set up a lot better in here than I was in the garage to start doing my own work. So the next project we're working on here, let me take it and show you, is this Toro lawnmower that I picked up for $80. So right now it actually starts, so we probably won't have any engine work to do, but what I do have to do is figure out why is when I push down on the pacer throttle, it does nothing. It doesn't move, so there's a disconnect in here somewhere. So we're gonna fix that today, and then once we get that, I need to address this right here. Okay, these aren't actually too bad. I can't put my finger through it or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try some of this JB weld to see if that will do the trick. And then once we get that done, what else? Oh, there's this little electric starter, which is not there. Okay, I'll probably have to buy it. Here's the hookup, and get a key, of course, and then see if electric start works. Once that's done, I will. Well, I'm gonna take the gas out. I'm gonna take the oil out. I'm gonna do that actually right now for this project, and then we'll put new gas in, put new oil in. I'm gonna get a new air filter, new spark plug, fire up, and here we go. So day one, let's get this transmission fixed. And I gotta fix the. That's one thing I hate about changing oil.
Even over here, you can work on stuff.
Yep. Well, I'm right. If I can get, I gotta get all this shit out. Here's what I hate about work. You know, doing this. It's like you gotta flip it. See the. I'm gonna get that spark plug out too.
It's a little dirty under there. Right?
Huh?
It's a little dirty. I wonder if you could power wash under there and get all that gunk out. I saw the post-store truck today when I was coming home.
Let's see. There's something else I'm missing here. I think it'll be that. There's a little, I don't know what you call it, in there, but I'm going to need that. Not sure. I don't think it's supposed to turn. So there you have it. This thing's pretty rusted out. I'm not quite sure what was broken here. Put that in there so I don't lose it. Looks like it's damaged right there. No? Or is it supposed to be flat? Well, you know what? I'm probably going to get a new one. Maybe I'll have more room in here. Just going to flip it up on its side. Just do it that way. All right, well, I got almost everything apart. I unfortunately didn't record everything. So this is going to be it for today. I have to order parts. I need, unfortunately, I don't know the names of all this stuff. Whoa. I need a new one of these. I'll get the names and I'll post them. I'll put them right up there. I need like a new little gearbox. I'm going to get a new blade because it's all screwed up. I don't want to move everything. And what else? So I need two, a new blade, and I might as well get a new belt. I think the belt looks good, but I'm just going to get a new belt anyways. So here we go. Hopefully I'll remember how to put this thing together again. But we got all the wheels off. I got everything off. I'm not going to clean this until I get it all back together and it actually moves. So yeah, until that day comes, which who knows when it'll be. This will be part 1. And then part 2 should be coming up. We'll see if I can get parts tomorrow. Today's Monday, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll get some parts and we'll take it from there. So from the shed, see you on part 2.